I was watching, and after 3-4 months with consistent effort, means I was able to understand means what is happening, what I am learning actually. So yes, means consistency. I did not stop. Means I did not stop learning, and this helped me a lot to means learn the things. So in this way, means I learned everything.
So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Utkarsh and today we have very amazing guest with us. She is Gitanjali. Gitanjali recently got placed at Adalment as a data analyst profile, and today we will hear her story, how she started her coding journey and got placed. Before moving forward, please do take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such motivating and amazing content. So let's get started. So hi Gitanjali. Before starting, so can you first please introduce yourself to our audience?
No, it's first of all, thank you for inviting me. I am Gitanjali Asati. I belong to Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in BSc Chemistry in 2019 and my post-graduation in Computer and Applications in 2024. I did training in DSA and full stack web development from AccioJob, and currently I am working at AdvantMate as a data analyst.
Good. So, Gitanjali, it's been, I think, 1 month you have joined the company. So, how is your experience so far in the company?
Yes. So, my experience till now is very good. The company environment is very good, and I am learning so many new things. And my mentors, means from whom I'm getting training, they are also very good. My team means I'm very enjoying to work with my team.
Correct. That's amazing. That's awesome. So, Gitanjali, let's start everything from zero. So, tell us our audience, how did you want to know about AccioJob and why did you decide to speak?
Yes. So I get to know about AccioJob from my brother. He informed me about the training program and the job opportunities that AccioJob provides. So after my graduation, I was preparing for competitive examination, but after 2 years, I decided to explore other fields. So then I got to know about coding from my brother, and he was already working. So that thing seems to me very interesting and fascinating. So I also asked to join the private sector and decided to pursue my career in the IT sector. Then I enrolled in a full stack web development program at AccioJob. And yes, means in this way, journey started learning in AccioJob.
Right. So your brother motivated you to started upscaling and you go for IT sector.
Yes.
That's yes. So can you tell us how was your journey with AccioJob? Your upskilling journey, your upselling heads if you are ready.
Yes. So means I started learning from scratch. Means when I joined the course, I did not knew anything. So I started learning from Java, and I thoroughly followed the course because I was new in this. So they started teaching Java. Then after that, they moved to data structures and algorithms. After that, moved to front end and then back end. So I used to attend lectures, live lectures, and was recording also, solving the class assignments, and give mock interviews, asking doubts in live doubt sessions, and solving problems on GIM, and and I also took guidance from mentors and my batch manager. So all helped me a lot. So I improved a lot and learned everything.
So you told us that you didn't do any coding before joining AccioJob. So was it easy for you, or it was difficult for you to learn coding from scratch? Because there are many students who join Hackathon and they also don't have any knowledge of coding prior. Right? So tell us how was your journey for learning coding?
Yes, so means initially for 1 or 2 months I did not means understanding what I am learning, or means I was not able to understand the lectures what I'm watching. But I was watching, and after 3-4 months with consistent effort, means I was able to understand means what is happening, what I am learning actually. So yes, means consistency. I did not stop. Means I did not stop learning, and this helped me a lot to means learn the things. So in this way, means I learned everything.
Got it. Amazing. So you are saying like consistency is the best thing which will definitely help anyone who don't have any knowledge of coding very, and that can only help to learn and upskill, right? Amazing.
Yes.
Cool. So let's come to the placement wala side directly, right? So Gitanjali, tell us our audience ki how was your placement journey and how did you got placed in this company?
Yeah, so means I applied from AccuJob portal only for this opportunity. After that, the placement journey was very smooth. Means when I applied, after within 10 days, I got the resume shortlist. Then after that, after again 1 week, I give first round. Then again after 1 week, so it's only for doing the preparation. I got 1 week for every round. So in this way, I gave the interviews, and for my preparation, how did I prepare for these interviews? So means whatever I have learned till now in AccuJob, that helped me to clear these rounds, because I have already practiced DSA problems. That was the foundation for the logic building in the actual interview. And for front end, I took the help of only the projects which I learned during this course. Those front end projects only I revised and tried to implement the separate functionality. And I also practiced that how I can present myself in the actual interview, before the actual interview. And for HR round, I just prepared mostly asked questions, and also prepare some conditional and behavioral based questions. So this was about everything was very small.
It's like it seems like you're very patient and you are very consistent in everything, right? You take steps one by one. So after getting a job offer from the company, so how was your parents' reaction, your friends' reaction, getting to know that you have finally got placed?
Yeah, so means I got this offer letter on my birthday itself. So my family was very happy, and they were very proud. My brother was also very happy. Yeah, so everything that day was very busy and stay.
That's amazing. About the birthday, you are good with your side.
Yeah,
cool. So Gitanjali, you have to all upskilling that from 0 to 1, right? And you got placed. So do you have any advice for students who are looking to upskill themselves and go to IT field to start their career?
Yes, so means I also learned everything from scratch. We just have to be consistent, and if we don't have any knowledge, so we should. Okay, so means I have also learned from from scratch. So I would suggest you just do whatever you are doing in consistently. If you are not able to understand anything, so you can after some break, you can again start and try to practice try to practice the coding problems, and means whatever you have fear, just try to do that thing. And after doing that thing again and again, you will be able to achieve.
Got it. At last, that consistency and having patience is the key to success.
Yes.
Right. So thank you so much for spending some time and telling your journey and motivating the students. Right. It will be very helpful for the student and so are looking to upskill and start the career if it. Thank you so much, Gitanjali.
Okay. So means 3-4 points I can say that solving coding problems regularly, and giving mock interviews, and building projects.
Right.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yes.
Looking to start their career in IT field from scratch, coming from the non-tech or tech background even, like if he's a fresher. So like giving mocks, practicing and building a good resume is very important.
Yes.
Got it. Good. Thank you so much.